So now to get to the passenger side upstream O2 sensor, we're going to use the fender well. We're going to remove all of the bolts just on the back half of it, and maybe we can push it out of the way, get to it so much easier. And these are all a T5 Torx bit. Okay, I'm going to remove that little plastic guard. I'm going to disconnect the rest of it. I think it's the fastest and easiest way. So the last screws here that hold this fender well in are 7mm. So it goes from Torx bit to socket. Just like the downstream, the upstream has that same white lock. Just going to push that up like that, and then push down on the tab, and pull. Now I'm going to take the tire off. Obviously take the tire off first. I thought I could get the fender well out and get to it, but you need more leverage. So just take your tire off, 22mm socket. So now we're going to disconnect the last two screws holding this fender well in right here, 10mm socket. Now the fender well is actually clear to come out. Put my oxygen sensor socket on. Before installation, take off the plastic safety guard, and that keeps that anti-seize on the thread nice and clean. Make sure you don't get it on the sensor itself, and then you're just going to thread it by hand. I like to spin the harness at the same time so that way it doesn't get all tangled. I like to bottom it out and then get my socket and we'll tighten that up. Once you feel that snug bottom out, give it another good quarter of a turn till you feel that gasket seat. There you go. Now just grab the connector, line it up with the tab, and push it till it clicks. Hear that snap, push that white lock clip down. Ready to go. Now we're going to put the fender well back in. Line it up. We just reverse procedure. I'll put the bolt side in first. I'm just going to go opposite side so I can hold it in place. This is the T5 Torx bit. Just going to snug it. I don't want to tighten it because I have to line everything else up. And work my way right around. Don't forget the plastic piece. Line it up. Snug them up. last one on the top for the Torx style. Two bolts and one push pin for the fender well. Just push that pin right in. And then we can line up the two bolts, 10mm socket. Snug it up. Now we can push that pin all the way in. Now you just have to remount your tire. .22mm socket. Wheel torque is 140 foot-pounds. Always do it in a crisscross pattern. Double check.